Hello everyone and welcome to the Rapid Solution channel. Today we will be learning Microsoft Excel, the ultimate tool for organizing data, working with numbers and even automating tasks. Whether you are a student, a professional or you are just curious about Excel, this guide will get you started. What is Excel and why is it useful? Excel is a spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft. It lets you store, analyze and visualize data in rows and in columns. Excel can be used in various ways. Excel can be used to track budget and expenses. It is perfect for organizing your personal finances. Excel can also be used to organize lists, such as inventories, schedules, or even your workout plans. Excel can be used to perform calculations. It can be used to carry out simple mathematical calculations and also complex calculations. Excel can be used to create charts and graphs. This is great for schools and business reports. Excel can be used to automate tasks by using functions and macros. Seriously, whether you are managing a business, studying or just keeping track of your expenses, Excel is a must-know tool. You can use Excel in two ways: by using the desktop app or an online free version. The desktop version has more features. To launch the desktop version, go to Windows and then on the Start menu, look for Excel and double-click on it. To use the online version, you have to go to office.com and sign in with your Microsoft account or create one for free. And then you click on New Blank Workbook to start fresh. Let's break down the Excel workspace so that you know where everything is. We will start by learning about the ribbon. The ribbon is the control center of the Excel workspace, so it has the file, the home, the insert, the page layout, the formulas, the data, the review, the view, the help center, and then tell me what you want. Here you can type in whatever feature you want and Excel will search for it for you. Each of these tabs has its related tools. So these are the home tools, this is the insert tab, and these are the tools that it comes with. This is the page layout tab and these are the features. Now let's look at the formula tab. This displays an array of formulas that can be used in carrying out your day-to-day calculations. The data can be used to fetch data from the web or any other place. The review tab has these features. The view tab also comes with these features. And then the help. These are the features that can be found in the help tab. So let's look at the quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar has the save, the undo and then the redo by default. When we explore it further, we have the new, the open, the save, the email, the quick print, the print preview, spell check or spelling, and then here we have the undo, the redo, and then we can sort in ascending order or sort in descending order. Then we have the touch mouse mode, and then the more command show below the ribbon. To customize the quick access toolbar, we can right click on any of the tabs and we can add to the quick access toolbar. The formula bar is where all the magic happens. It displays the cell content and formulas. So for instance, when I click on any cell and then I write equal to 2 plus 2 and hit enter, the result automatically appears in the cell. Let's explore cells and columns. Cells are the boxes where data goes. For instance, cell A1, cell B2, cell C3, and so on and on. This alphabet represents the vertical columns A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and then the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 represent the horizontal rows. Try clicking around and type something in the cell. So let's say you can type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 4, 2, 3, 1, 0. Don't worry, you won't break anything. Let's try to use Excel in the real world. So let's type in cell A1 task, and then in B1 due date. Under column A, let's write the following: buy groceries. Then the dates, let's add dates under column B. So we should buy groceries on which date? Let's say 22nd June 2025, and then we will have to finish our report on the 30th June 2025. You can also adjust the column width by double clicking on the lines in between. In column A, we have buy groceries showing fully and then finish report showing. And that's your crash course on Excel basics. Now you know what is Excel and why it is useful. You have also learned how to open the desktop version and also the online version. And you have also learned how to navigate the workspaces like a pro. Next time we will dive into entering data and basic formulas, so subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss a drop of it. Drop a comment below. What is the first thing you want to do in Excel? Thank you and bye bye for now.